What is going on, everyone? Today we're going to bring your still photos to life using AI. Okay, you may have seen this on social media or a platform. Maybe your friend have been, tinkering around with it, whatever. We're going to go over that today. So go ahead and go over to d-id.com and you're allowed to create videos. Within this studio, they give you a couple free credits and you can pay for more. That's how their pricing works. You can generate AIs with their generative model, which may or may not work well, or you can choose your own images. So I chose a couple from a website called Playground AI. Now, these aren't my images. This was made by DaVinci, and it was made by Lorenzo Cardoso, if I'm pronouncing that right. And I basically plugged them in just to play with AI. Now, the AI is nice because you can choose between different voices, different styles. So for example, if I want this person to talk, I can test him.
I am scared.
Right, and you may have heard that. And I can change it. If I don't like that, I can do something else. I can add punctuation, upload audio, continue the text, add a break, do different languages as well, which is quite impressive. So once I've done that, it's fairly simple to compile the video, and I can just play that audio for you. So first one is...
Okay, talk to me.
Okay, I talked over it. Let me try again.
Okay, talk to me.
Right? Super simple. And then the other one.
Bob Riley said hard times don't create heroes. It is during the hard times when the hero within us is revealed.
And you could notice that this one was a little bit difficult because it was moving half of the helmet apart from the photo. But the other one didn't really have that, miscontinuity. So I think it's fine. I think it did the job. Just don't choose such a photo that has so much like artistic blends, right? With that, it's pretty simple. This is another review of AI tool. If you like this content, please comment, give suggestions below, and let me know. All right, take care and have a good one.